Okay, so to start, you're going to start off by making a ring. So I'm just going to do a slip knot.
Three-way of apple because each apple has a different texture. Holy cow.
She's having a religious moment here.
And then I'm going to chain up 4.
Thank you so much, Jason.
No, I didn't really say
One,
you could have it.
two, three, 4. All right, and then you're going to slip stitch into that first chain 1. If I can get my hook in there. There we go. Yarn over, pull through, and then pull through that loop again. All right, so now we made our magic circle, and then from here we're going to do a chain up of 3. And for this project, that chain up of 3 does count as 1 double crochet. So in the round, you are going to insert another double crochet, and now you have 2. So for the first round, you're going to do 6 clusters of 2 double crochets. So you're going to chain 1 in between each cluster. So that was your first cluster. So now we do that again. 1, 2. Chain 1, and then go back again and do another set of 2.
This is an apple cupcake with bourbon buttercream.
All right, that was 3. 1, 2, 3, and then you just continue that on till you have 6.
The pink frosting gets glam.
I have made for you today a drunken apple cheesecake. I tasted the skins, and you can't bite through that thing easily. But the crumble was amazing. Thank you very much.
Jeff,
Oh, I did
our
too.
third place winner from our last bake. What do you have for us today?
Today I baked for you guys a honey crisp tartare.
I love.
Okay, so we have 6 clusters here, and what I did was I chained 1 and I cut and fastened off because I'm going to be changing colors. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my second color now. But this is what you should have for round 1. You should have a total of 6 clusters of 2 double crochets with the chain 1 in between.
Receive today's judge's choice ribbon.
Okay, so I have my second color, and then what you'll do is you'll insert your hook into a chain 1 space here. Slip stitch. All right, and then you're going to chain up 3, and that counts as 1 double crochet, and then you're going to put another double crochet here. So now you have 2. You're going to chain 1 and then insert 2 more double crochets into the same space, which would act as an increase. Okay, so we have 1 increase here. So then you're going to chain 1 and then go into the next chain 1 space and do the same thing. You're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 1, and then 2 more double crochets, and chain 1. And then you're going to continue that in each space around. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. All right, just keep going, and then I'll meet you back at the end of the round.
Must include 2 applications. For example, if you choose orange as
With a tart cherry, blueberry.
All right, so we are at the end of the round. I have my 2 double crochets, chain 1, and 2 double crochets again. So you're going to chain 1 and then slip stitch into the top of that first chain 3. All right, And like I said, I am changing colors, so I am going to chain 1 and then cut and fasten off. If you're not changing colors, what you would do, you would just chain up 3 and then start your next round. Okay. So for round 3, you're going to insert your hook into any chain 1 space and chain up 3. And then for this round, you're going to put 3 double crochets in each space. So remember that chain up 3 counts as 1 double crochet, and I just did 1. And then you do 1 more. And then chain 1, so that's 3. And then you go into that chain 1 space again and put 3 double crochets. And chain 1. Again, next space, 3 double crochets. Chain 1. And then you're going to keep doing that all the way around.
I think it'll kind of knock the socks off the judges. That would be a nice thing. I am going in the end.
Alright, so here we are on round 4. You're going to insert your hook into any chain 1 space. Okay, so to start this round, you're going to start with a chain up of 3, which counts as a double crochet. And you're going to insert 1 more double crochet, 2, and we're going to do an increase again here. So you're going to chain up 1 and then do 2 more double crochets. And then chain 1 to go into the next space. Now for this round, we are going to do this same increase stitch all the way around. So in each space, you're going to have a total of 4 double crochets. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, all the way around. Was round 4. I have cut and fastened off because I'm going to add my next color, going to add in the blue. So for round 5, this is what you're going to do for the remainder of the project. So you're going to insert your hook and chain up 3. And then you're going to insert 1 more double crochet. So you have 2. Then you're going to chain 1. And then into that next space, you're going to do 2 double crochets. And chain 1. In the next space, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1. Alright, like I said, you're going to continue doing that all the way around, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so we have completed round 5, and then like I said before, round 5 is what we're going to continue doing for the remainder of our project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain up 3. I'm not going to cut and fasten off because I'm going to keep this color for the next round and then I'll switch. But like I said, you're just going to continue doing 2 double crochets in each space, chaining 1 in between. And that's all you're going to do. 2 double crochets in each space, and you're going to do this from round 6 until round 20. Just putting 2 double crochets in each space and chaining 1. Okay, so you're going to continue that pattern until you reach round 20, and then I'll meet you back. Okay, so I have finished 20 rounds. So this is what the project looks like so far. And then for the last round, it's pretty simple. We're just gonna put one single crochet in every stitch around. And then after that, you are done with your slouch beanie. So I'm gonna insert that hook there anywhere. Chain one. And then I'm just going to insert my hook right there.
After she passed away, I got a package from my dad, and in that package was all of my mom's handwritten recipes. What a gift. She taught me how to bake, how to cook. She was a huge influence, huge.